The price of this one? 26. This one, how many pieces in a carton?
What?
Okay. How about this design down here?
This is 27.
Alright, guys, this one is 27 RMB.
Yeah.
And one carton has 12 pieces in a carton. How about this one?
This is 30.
This one is 30 RMB. One carton is also 12. And this one also has 12 in a carton. This type, this design. This one.
This is 29.
Guys, okay, this one is 29 RMB. And one carton has 12 also. And this one is 13.5 RMB. Okay. And one carton has 12 also. This one is also 13.5 RMB. And one carton has 12. Please, how about this one?
This is 12.5.
This one is 12.5 RMB. This one. And one carton has 30 pieces. How about this one?
It's 8.5.
And this one is 8.5 RMB. And one carton has 30 pieces. How about this type? This design?
This is 13.5. Small one.
Yeah.
Small one. This one.
This one.
Small one.
Okay.
13.5.
This one is 13.5, right? This one is 13.5 RMB.